Here's how to follow someone on Facebook and see their post even if you're not friends. First, you need to go ahead and open the web browser and go to facebook.com, or you can also launch your Facebook application and log into your account. Go ahead and tap on the profile you want to follow. Then there you'll see the follow icon. Go ahead and tap on follow. As I'm already following this specific person or page, it's indicating following. Otherwise, it will indicate follow highlighted in blue color, and you can tap on it, follow that specific profile. If you don't see the follow button, some people disable the follow option, and if you don't see it, you can tap on the three dots on their profile and see if there is follow option available. If there is no follow option, you can tap on add friend instead, and you'll be friends on Facebook. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.